guys, today we're gonna be opening like some fidget packs, part 2. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let me try to open it. Okay. Okay, this is actually hard. Like and subscribe so I can open this. Thank you so much. There we go. So we have these, some puzzles like poppets, some things like that. And we connect to them. Let's see. Ooh, so this is like a puzzle. Oh, okay. Well, this is like a 5 out of 10. Move that to the side. Let me open this pack. Okay, we got a skateboard, a shoe, and another shoe. Let's test it out. Okay. Okay, I think it goes like, wait, no. Weird. Oh, it's not weird. Okay. So, put it on the skateboard, done. Okay, now I'll give this a 3 out of 10, really. So yeah. Wait, oh my god, bro. It's already broken, bro. I read this a 4 out of 10. Oh wait, hold up, guys. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. So, yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. So, yeah, bye, guys. Peace.